Today, we're going to be building a super small, simple item sorter here on the Wonderment server. This design can be as big or as small as you like. It even turns corners. You can have chests filled with just one item or multiple items in any order. Also, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to drop a like and smash that subscribe button for more Minecraft content. Now, let's show you how to build it. First off, to create this item sorter, you are going to need the following, ladies and gentlemen. For the input and output, you are going to need these items right here. This can be any block you like. You'll need a dropper, 4 chests, a hopper, 2 redstone repeaters, 1 redstone comparator, and 7 redstone dust. Then, for each of your chests that you are going to put in, you're going to need 4 blocks of any kind. I'm using white wool here, 2 droppers, 2 chests, 2 hoppers, 1 redstone repeater, and 1 redstone dust. So in total, we are going to be making 8 double chests, which means we have got 16 of the materials down here. So the first thing we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is we're going to lay out our chests. And the beauty about this is that we can actually go around corners like this. So we can make it very neat, very nice and compact, and we can store multiple different items in each of the chests. So they are going to be our storage chest, this is going to be our input chest, and this here is going to be our output for any items that have not been sorted. So you should end up with something that looks like this. Next up, we're going to place the droppers. First of all, you're going to have a dropper pointing up like that, and then you're going to have one right on top of it with a smiley face pointing out. And you can do that for the first chest of each of your chests. So 1 pointing up, 1 spinning out, 1 pointing up, 1 pointing out. Lots of happy faces in this build. So now you should have all of your little happy droppers all pointing with happy little faces pointing out. Next up from there, we're going to do the hoppers. So at the back of each of these chests, we're going to throw a hopper into the chest here. So it goes in, back of the chest, it goes in. Then what you're going to need is you're going to send a hopper pointing into, oh no, we missed this one here too. There we go, that one there too. And this one here too. Then you're going to start pointing your hoppers into this chest round here. Ignore the corners for now, we'll get back to them. Boop, boop, and boop. We'll have it that way for now, we will fix this in a minute. Now for the corners, it's going to be slightly more interesting, because what we need to do is we need to come out, and then we need to go around like this, like so, which is why I have some extra hoppers. Next up, we're going to place the blocks. So take your blocks, and you're going to place one on the diagonal, just like this. So if there's a chest, if there's a dropper right there, you're going to place it into there. Same here, down there, ignoring this for now. We'll do the corners in a minute. Just like that. Now for these corners, what you're going to need to do is you need to take out your temporary blocks. This building's going to get a bit bigger in a minute. And we're going to just continue those around like so. So on the corners, we're just going to continue around this little path here so we can continue our redstone signal. What we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take our redstone repeaters and we are going to point them so they are going this way into our systems, just at the back of each of those blocks there. So boop, 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 and boop, and again, boop, and boop. Just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hook those up with some redstone. These corners here just need the redstone hooked up. I did forget to add these 2 repeaters, just add them at the end of the corners like I did here. We're going to place some redstone dust down. So you're just going to place it where there is a gap underneath each of these pieces of wall that's raised up here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pointing around, 7, 8, right there. Next up, we're going to fix the output chest over here, ladies and gentlemen. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take down this output chest right here. What we're going to do is we're going to make this, turn this into a dropper that is pointing upwards like this. Going to put a redstone dust down here. We're going to put a wool on top of it, and then we're going to just put another chest down here like so. Next up, we're going to sort out the input chest. So what we're going to do is we're going to get ourselves, we're going to take away these 2 blocks right here. We're going to set a dropper that is facing like this, but right against this one right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that, and the smiley face is now pointing into this dropper right here that's then funneling up. And we're just going to put a nice little hopper into that dropper there. Now we're going to make the little clock that goes into this here. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take our redstone comparator and we're going to place that there. Then we're going to take our redstone repeater and we're going to put one there. We're going to put some redstone dust right here. And then we're going to go across, place a block like that. Another redstone repeater going the other way. And then we're going to put a block on top of that. Then we take our redstone right here and we just continue it on like so. Now what you're going to need to do, this is very important, is you're going to need to set one of these repeaters here to 4 ticks. The way you do that, just pick any one of them and right click it 3 times. Now you should be good. It's all about sorting your chest, so you've got to put an item in every slot of your chest for this system to work. However, the benefit of this item sorter is that you can put multiple different items in a chest. So here you can see I've got spruce logs, oak logs and birch logs all in the same chest. Same over here, netherrack, some blackstone, some nether quartz, some shroom lights, an entire chest of sugarcane. I've got my resources here, so I've got iron, diamonds, copper, gold, netherite, etc, etc. All of these can be completely customizable. At the end here I've got a mob dropped one, and then this here is going to be the chest that collects anything that is not captured or defined in these chests here. We've set up the chest like so, for instance. What we're going to do is we're going to put the nether quartz. We're going to put some nether quartz in there. You'll see it goes through this ticker right here, and what will happen is it will start appearing here in the nether quartz. Brilliant! It works! It sorts our items for us. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have a small, simple, easy item sorter here in Minecraft. Now obviously it does look a little bit ugly right now, so I'm probably going to get Stuart to clean it up and put it in a nice pretty building around it maybe. We'll see that next time. Thank you all very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video and do want to see me like it, let me know in those comments below. And if you do have any questions, of course, let me know again. I'll be happy to answer them. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye now.